Alright, we're snowmaking take 3. I started the machine, and this time I have it mounted on an aluminum channel so that the heat from the, when I say heat, the tap water is about 40 degrees, and it should keep this whole assembly warm enough to keep this part from freezing up. So that's really what I've had to do the last 2 other times, to constantly babysit this part of it to keep it from freezing. So now I've got good insulation. I got a new pressure washer, and this part right here is staying dry. And seem to have better pressure. Accumulation seems to be a little better. Got a lot of snow here. Starting to build up along the side of the house over here. So far it looks like it's working a little better this year. The big thing is that hopefully I won't have to babysit it all night like I normally have to. So as long as that head cannot freeze, stay unfrozen, got a little accumulation here, I think I'll be in really great shape. Still no ice. That's awesome. That's all we need. So, all right, we'll check out in a couple hours.